Morning. I thought as I've got some new hair, I'll come on and do a little video for you. So I've got two products to share with you today, and the reason I'm doing these two is because I'm feeling like my eyes are looking a little bit tired. It's coming to end of term, it's been a bit of a long one, so I'm just going to show you how to use Lid Lift Enhance. I've already put a base on, a bit of HTG and a little bit of SSL with HTG, but I thought I would just do this Ferrosol. So this is code LLE in shade Ferrosol, and I'm just going to use it to cover this purple that I have on top of my eyelid, but then also just to sort of take it round and then to lift and smooth here in the middle. So taking it round underneath, right up to the brow bone. So Lid Lift Enhance is the antidote to tired eyes. It really, really is. Covers all that black, gives you a lovely base. If you then want to wear eyeshadow or anything on top, you can do. I am not going to, because I am not going very far today. But then I'm going to use VLM. So I'm not going to put too much VLM on, but I'm just going to, again, lift the eye area just to lengthen my lashes, open up my eye area so that I don't look so tired. I mean, I did get, 7 hours last night. The dog woke up at 6:30, which is good. I'm happy with that. Yeah, so I shouldn't really be that tired. But as I said, it's coming to the end of term, and I think we all get a little bit tired, don't we, at this time of the year? So this just opens and brightens the eye area. So Lid Lift Enhance and VLM. So I'm showing you those two products, and also to just share with you that for October we've got another few days left of our birthday gift offer. So we were 10 years old this month, believe it or not. We're starting our 10th year, which is crazy, and so we're gifting everybody £10. I'll just do the other eye while I'm chatting to you. So everybody who buys 2 products or more during October and uses the code 10 years will get a £10 off their order. It's only one per person, so make sure you get what you want, top up, buy your Christmas presents, or even if you just want to try this Lid Lift Enhance and VLM to give you that sort of ultimate antidote to tired eyes, to really lift and brighten, then give it a go. Try these two. I know lots of you use these two already, but it really does just make a difference. I mean, I can't actually believe that I did the school run without doing these two this morning, but I did, because we were running a little bit late as usual. So 2 products, £10 off. Use the code 10 years, put 2 products or more in your basket and you'll get £10 off. So today I'm just showing you code VLM, volumizing lengthening mascara, and LLE in Ferrosol, which is the lightest shade, and I'm using that one because it really lifts and brightens and just makes me look more awake. I still get a bit of a scare when I look at my hair in the mirror because it is taken amazingly well. Like, I cannot believe how blue it is. I asked for this colour and now I've got it. Every time I catch myself in the mirror I think, oh, who's that? And it's me. But I'm sure after a few days I'll get used to it. Have a great day.